So I have just posted that those of you who are interested in buying cloth books, I'll talk about little about the care of cloth books. How and where cloth books are used is for very very young children, the one who are under the age of 2.5 to 3 years old. And the cloth book, what it provides very young kids is a lot of hands-on feely kind of touch experience. So I'll show you one of the cloth books, or maybe a few cloth books, and talk about how you can do its care and comfort. That. So the first book that I'm showing you is, you can see that cloth books are usually made up of cloth and have a lot of different materials and texture your kid can feel. These types of books are available in two categories. This one, as you can see, is from outside, okay? It's a foreign book. It's not available here in Pakistan, and that is why these types of cloth books are called pre-loved cloth books. Now, what are pre-loved cloth books? Pre-loved cloth books are the books which is used by some other kids and then sold to a vendor, and that vendor collects all these cloth books and sell it to us. So how you can take care of these cloth books is very very easy. All you need to do is, whenever you're buying it from any vendor who is selling these pre-loved cloth books, just take it or buy it from there. Ensure that there are three things while buying those books you need to see. You need to see the condition first of those books. How is the condition? No, not this book. So how is the condition of this book? Okay, you have to first see that whether that book is made up of cloth or is it made up of some furry material. So while buying cloth book, first consider that the cloth book should have three elements. It should be very colorful in genre. It should definitely have something where child can feel, touch and do different exercises. Third element, you need to see that the cloth book should be not having any threads coming out of it. That is how you need to select the book. If you're buying a pre-loved book means a used book. Make sure that all the edges of the books are good, in good condition. It may not be very clean, but make sure that all the condition of the book is clean. There are no threads coming out. See, the quality is so good, the threads are not coming out. So this is how you need to select cloth books. Once you buy it from the vendor, or soak it in the Dettol water for overnight, okay? Once you have soaked it in the Dettol water for a couple of hours, clean, wash it and soak it in a warm water for overnight. This way you have sanitized the pre-loved book. Once you have sanitized the pre-loved book, then wash it with the soap or surf water as well. So wash it twice. Once you have done that, properly dry them and then iron them. So once you do these 2-3 procedures, this book will become very very safe. And this book, then you can conveniently use it. So you can see the noise is coming. So this is a touch and feel book. See, that is how the book quality should look like. It absolutely looks like a original one. So I hope this session will be really helpful for you in selecting the cloth books and taking care of the cloth books. This was a small session. If there are any questions, just let me know. I will also come again of the local options available here in Pakistan regarding cloth book, and will also take it. If you want to buy some foreign cloth book which are pre-loved in genre, like these types of books which are pre-loved, you can connect with SFS Cute. I will tag her over here, so you may be able to buy it from there. If you have any questions, please write to me. SFS Cute is a vendor who sells these pre-loved books, and she has it in a very very good quality. I have bought all these books from her. I'll tag her over here so you can buy it. In my next session, I will show some local options to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you have any questions, I'm always here to answer. Take care. Bye bye.